Welcome. Let's walk through how to create a custom notification to keep everyone informed. Step 1. Accessing Notification Management. Look for Notification Management. Once inside, you'll see options to view and create new notifications. When the creation window appears, you will first see the notification title field. Fill this up with a concise, clear subject, something that immediately tells the recipient what the notification is about. Next, fill in the main message body. This is where you put all the details you want to show on your notification. Step 3. Selecting Recipients and Recurrence. Now select all the recipients, the people or groups that you want to receive this alert. Moving on to Recurrence, this determines how often the notification will be sent. You can choose once for a single event, daily, weekly, bi-weekly, monthly. Next, you can pick your delivery channels. This means you can send the notification by email or as a push notification right to their devices. And finally, you must pick your schedule. Select when you want this notification to happen. Depending on your chosen recurrence, you will also be able to pick a start date and optionally an end date. Hit save, and your custom notification is now active.